In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 485 by 5 using the long division method. See that 4 is less than 5. That is why we will consider the number 48. We know that 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract, we get a 3. Now 3 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 5 here. And we know that 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 485 divided by 5 is equal to 97. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.